up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nasiah, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, I am going to be doing a fall look, well, really lipstick look, not this full beautiful look. However, it's going to be a nice fall lipstick combo that I kind of just fell upon. Like, I was just testing little different things, and I recently picked up a lipstick from MAC, and I'm just going to show you it to you guys. I posted it on my TikTok and Instagram, and you guys were DMing me and asking me like, oh, what is this, what is this? So I'm going to do a video on it, quick little video. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can help me out. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alrighty, guys, so before we start, I just wanted to shout out Shapermint for sponsoring this video. I do have a discount code for you guys, Brene Crew 20, as well as a link down below if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. But basically, Shapermint is a brand that their purpose is pretty much to help flaunt the body image that you have, promoting self-confidence and everything like that. Shapermint empowers women to embrace their confidence, inner goddess through body positivity and self-care. I personally love this brand, not only because they do support women and empower women and body image and things like that. That is something that I am big on. I want everyone to feel happy in their own skin as well as what they look like. So that's why I love this brand, but also their prices are really nice. Their comfortability of the bra and the undergarments that they have is really good. They actually sent me their bra, and 100%, this is the same one that I'm showing right now. It is only $29, and the comfortability is amazing. They have no underwire, under nothing, none of that stuff. It's just like tightness, and it supports 100%. So click the link down below and use my discount code to get your own. Alrighty, guys, so a little bit of background before I just kind of hop into it. I'm gonna be doing like a little Bratzy like look, or like you outline your lips with something and then, like, you know, put like a lip gloss on top. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. However, I want to explain that I used, so there's a Fenty lipstick just like this, but it's in this color. I can't find it. I used it yesterday and I looked through all my makeup bags. It's like literally just disappeared. So we're just going to be using this Iconic London lipstick and to just go ahead and put on top. So just bear with me. So what we're going to do to take to outline our lips is going to be the MAC lipstick in the color Double Fudge, 656 Double Fudge. And this here is so freaking pretty. This is like a burgundy, like brown type situation, and it's so pretty. I love it. It's definitely good for like fall time and everything like that. So we're just going to go ahead and take the tip and just kind of line our lips with it. So I kind of just leave a little part there only because it kind of looks good to me. I don't know. This is what I did. I don't really like that there. I don't know. It just looks different when it's like a bigger space in between right there. And then you're going to take your light lipstick. You can do clear gloss as well. But I just like the way the pink gloss looks. It just gives it like a really nice look to it. So you're going to take some and you're just going to line inside, and I'm just gonna forewarn you, yes, the lipstick does transfer, so just that on that. I definitely think there's like ways to get around it, and or yeah, and yeah, that's what she's looking like. It just looks so pretty. Like, I love it. It definitely gives you like a ombre look. It's just so pretty, and it's definitely perfect for the fall time. You know, it's September going into October. You already know, like, the dark browns, the dark reddish, orangish type colors are coming in, and this is going to be perfect for you guys. So I'm definitely glad that I'm able to share it with you guys. And yeah, I love it. Alrighty, guys, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to share to your friends and subscribe to my channel so you guys can be a part of the family, and so you guys can help your girl out so I can continue to make more and more of these videos. Don't forget to check out my most recent videos, which will be linked down below. And other than that, stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.